How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel. And before we get this video kicked off, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, I would not have a channel. And and if y'all don't have a channel and you watch my video all the time and you're a model builder, it's not hard. It's not hard, guys. I preach this all the time. Just do it on your phone. That's what I do it on. You can do it on a GoPro. You can do it just a digital camera, whatever you want to use. It's not hard to do. Upload a video. Hell, I don't really edit. I don't do all kinds of that crazy stuff. I admire the people that do, but I just ain't got it up here to get it all done. Somebody have to walk me through all that and everything. I ain't got time for all that. But hey, and if you're not subscribed and you're watching this, man, it's free. It's free. Don't cost you a thing. Just go ahead and hit that bell for notifications, whatever, you know, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go round. Alright. This video is going to be update on my shop truck. And guys, I've had a lot going on and I'm really behind on y'all's videos. But I will get caught up. Be patient with me. I'm very behind. All my regular guys that call me in all the time, I will get to you guys. I will. I've not had much time. This is my long week for work, so it's not going to be but just this video right here, and that's probably going to be about it. But I'll get y'all something here to chomp at the bits. And everybody knows the problems with the MOEBIUS trucks right now and stuff. I bought 2 of them, you know. Here's one of them, and I'm starting to work on the bed. And then I got this one right here, and I opened this one up, and there's nothing wrong. There's no warping that I could find at all in this one. But the first one I opened up, it was warped. The whole bed and all this stuff was warped up, and it was pretty bad. I wish I had took pictures of it, but I didn't think about it at the time. My thing was, well, do I want to tell them that it's warped and wait forever for parts to come in or this or that? But you know, me being a model builder and stuff, been doing it for a long time. A lot of times, especially on all these multi-piece bodies and stuff, yeah, they might be warped and twisted and this and that. But man, I tell you what, I've trued this sucker up. It sets flat, sets straight. I've got it trued up. And all I did was I glued the first panel on, and I used real, almost like a welding glue, you know, the real thick Tamai glue that bonds real quick, and I just used clamps, and I got it set. Then I glued the other panel on, did the same thing, got it set. Then I put this panel on right here, because, you know, it's got slots that it goes into, and I set it. Then I glued this panel on right here. Then I got it set. Then I glued this panel on top. And then it left this right here. And then I was able to put it in there, and it's got just a little bit of a bulge right here. But I think if I get some glue behind that, guys, and hold it down there and let it set, it will put it down, which it's really not even that bad. I don't even know if I really worry about it. But then I put this panel on right here, and guys, I don't know how well it's going to pick up, but she trued up, and I'm telling you, she was warped pretty bad. Now, you guys that are having problem with the hoods and stuff like that in your frame, that's the only thing that was warped on mine. My frame is straight as an arrow. Everything's good there. My cab's in excellent shape. And then my hood's in great shape. I don't even see no warpage on it whatsoever. Let's see if I can get the hold here. No, there's no warpage on that hood whatsoever. I don't know if I can get it to where you guys can see it or whatever. That one was actually good. So I looked in the other one in the hood, and it was good, believe it or not. So knock on wood. The only warpage I had, guys, was the bed. But I trued it all up and got it all back whipped into shape. So I won't bother contacting MOEBIUS or nothing like that. And then Had to wait forever probably to get that, so I lucked out. I was just able to get it all glued together. And of course it might be a long time before I get to build it, but hey, I fixed it, and like I said, the other one, she's straight as an arrow. So I guess it's just one of them things, guys. I guess on the ship over here from China, they just got a little too hot. Some of them's all right, but that's my 2 cents on it. But mine's good. You know, like I said, there's been other guys unbox them, and other guys that, you know, tell you to go to the MOEBIUS, I think it was Facebook page, and they'll have a link or something on there if you want to complain or whatever. But don't complain, please, guys. MOEBIUS is a great company. Model King, MOEBIUS, they're awesome. If it wasn't for them, you know, we wouldn't be getting stuff like this. They can't help it that, you know, in shipping, and y'all know how that's been. This world's crazy these days, and the stuff's come from China and this and that. They can't help that, and if you're not satisfied with it, you know, be patient with them. They'll treat you right, I'm sure. But like I said, mine was warped and everything, but I wasn't going to worry about it. If I could fix it, I wasn't going to worry about it. I fixed it, so I'm not going to worry about it. But y'all do what y'all got to do, and I'm going to shut up, turn this around, and show you what I got done on the shop truck. It ain't a whole lot, but I got a little bit done. Alright guys, for any of y'all that's been following along, old Robert over at Deep Junk Garage has a group build that's been going on, and it ain't due till the end of the year. And it's a shop truck group build. A lot of y'all's heard about it. If you ain't, go over there and check it out. I'll leave a link in the description below. But y'all know this is what, if y'all been following, this is what I've been working on. This is the donor kit I used. And then I used the C1 Volkswagen Beetle van body. And this is what I've gotten done so far. I've got it in primer. I'll have to wet sand this primer, any imperfections that I can get out of it. And then I will be painting this thing silver. As a matter of fact, this is the paint I'm going to be using for it. It's the Model Masters. It's the AMC Sterling Silver 3D. That is the paint I will be painting it. My little custom made trailer, you can see I got it in primer. I've got this masked off because I painted it black. All the rest of it will be silver. And then here is the custom bed and the panel back here for where the engine will set. All this will be silver. I will do the interior in red, which I haven't done nothing to it yet. Let's see. Here's my engine. It'll be black wash, some detail and some wires, and the doghouse still have to be put on it, and the belt and all that stuff. But all that's been, I resin cast that engine, guys. That is a 356A Porsche engine from the 356A, the Enthusiast Kit by Fujimi. Let's see, what else, guys, do I got going on here? Oh yeah, my little scooter that I'm going to have back here. I put a little bit of a chrome paint over black on that, and then I will detail paint it up and wash. And here is the fender that goes on top of it. I painted it red to match the wheels. I'll have to wet sand that down and clear coat it, and then by the time it's all put together, it will come together, guys. I'm telling you. Really, other than painted the wheels on it, let's see, I got the wheels painted red. They'll just have to be clear coated and stuff, and hubcaps. And I'm thinking about putting white walls on it, the red wheels with the white walls. Y'all have already seen it lowered. Y'all have seen it mocked up. So, really, that's about all I've gotten done. Hopefully I can get a little bit done by next week or so, get it in paint, and let this really start coming together. But other than that, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. Check out Robert from Deep Junk Garage, and I'll leave a link below. And, alright, I'm out.